Mastering reported requests and commands with can, could, and be able to. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to focus on a very specific, yet important topic: reporting requests and commands with can, could, and be able to. Specifically, we'll dive deep into the subject of using the to infinitive in reported requests and commands. This is a critical skill in conveying past conversations accurately in English. So, let's get started. In reported speech, we communicate what someone else has said without using their exact words. The verb tenses, pronouns, and time expressions often shift to reflect that the speech is being relayed secondhand. For instance, I can do it in direct speech becomes he said he could do it in reported speech. Today, we're focusing on requests and commands using modal verbs like can, could, and be able to. When we report requests and commands, we usually shift the sentence structure slightly. For requests, we commonly use the phrase asked if, whether, or asked to, and for commands, we use told to. For example, a direct request like, "Can you open the window?" might be reported as, "She asked if I could open the window," or "She asked me to open the window." A command like, "Be able to finish your homework before dinner," could be reported as, "He told me to be able to finish my homework before dinner." Using the to infinitive in reported requests and commands with can, could, and be able to is quite straightforward. This to infinitive form is used after the person and the reporting verb. Let's take an example. If someone said, "Can you help me?" in reported speech, we would say, "He asked me to help him." The to infinitive, to help, is used to convey the requested action. Remember, the structure is generally he, she plus asked, told plus me, him, her, us, them plus to infinitive. And that's it. Now you know how to use the to infinitive in reported requests and commands with can, could, and be able to. Remember, practice is key. Try converting some direct speech into reported speech to get the hang of it. Thank you for joining me today. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson.